No garage is complete without a garage door opener, literally. And Sears is the place to go to get started. Come in and get set up with anything you need, from battery backup, next day installation, and quiet belt drives. Check this out.
Craftsman garage door opener accessories add even greater control and convenience to your lifestyle. Enhanced range 3-function remote controls let you open up to 3 garage doors and turn opener lights on or off from greater distances.
Hey, thanks for watching. And remember, for all your tool needs, the Sears Blue Tool Crew is always just a call, click, or visit away.